Hi, this is a generic letter that came out and a download attachment that came from Philips Respironics to help us respiratory therapists and home medical equipment companies help answer people's concern as to during this COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, how do you properly clean this machine and your CPAP equipment, okay? And it's really very good. It's nothing's really changed. It's the same instructions that you have in your user manual. But I want to bring you to this first paragraph here. According to the CDC and the World Health Organization, there is no official approved disinfectant, sorry, for the COVID-19 virus, okay? So let's start with that. Now, I'm just going to feel free to, by the way, hit the pause button. I'm going to fast forward to the page that deals with CPAP machines. By the way, you do not have an oxygen machine, you have a CPAP machine, right? Or a bi-level machine. So a lot of people think their CPAP machine makes oxygen. It does not. It makes, what do you call it? The it just uses room air. Okay. Now, first things first. Let me bring this up here. There is a shortage of finding distilled water right now. You cannot find distilled water right this moment. As of March 30th, 2020, if you can't find distilled water, it's okay. By the way, I want you to watch. I have a special video created just for that. What are your alternatives? Use tap water, by the way, is one of the alternatives, okay? If you can't find it, use tap water or bottled drinking water. And this is how you need to clean it. Use white vinegar, okay? Use white vinegar. And it tells you here to leave it in there for 4 hours. Soak it with white vinegar and leave it there for 4 hours until you can see all the mineral deposits start to clear out of the thing. You can scrub it out too with a brush. Okay, and then empty out the vinegar from the tank base and then wash it thoroughly with dish detergent. In fact, it doesn't say dish detergent here. It says thoroughly rinse the tank base with water. Now, I want to go forward right now to the cleaning instructions for how to clean your CPAP machine, which is nothing has changed, by the way. It's the exact same thing, right? Of cleaning your machine, when you first got the machine. Okay, here we go. Dream Station, home use care instructions. So what you do is for the tubing and for your humidifier chamber, take the humidifier chamber, the canister. You can either put it in the dishwasher top rack or use a mild dish detergent. Use a mild dish detergent like, whatever dish soap you have in your kitchen sink will do for now, because you're not supposed to go out to the stores and buy, right? Which is good. And when they typically talk about mild, is something that doesn't have a lot of fragrance or alcohol in it. Just for example, like Dove, right? Or Johnson and Johnson baby body wash, all right? Which is stripped off of all the fancy ingredients in it. All right, so you can just use that once a week. Just wash it with your hands or with a sponge or with a washcloth. Just wash it like you wash a coffee mug or a glass or a plate or saucer. Okay? Then, they tell you to wash the water tank. This is what they tell you to do, right? You can put in the dish detergent, the humidifier base, how to clean it if you need it, if you see any dirt in there with a damp cloth, right? And then your tubing is this, right? Just put very diluted soapy water, pour it into it, and just slosh it around, and then stick one end to a faucet and flush it up and let it air dry, right? So this is how you do this, the same way as you've done before.